Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Golden Rootz. In this video we just wanted to update you on how my daughter's locks are looking. So this is the back. They kind of, you know, the twists are there. They kind of look like they're unraveled. I'm gonna get close by and just show you. We haven't been oiling much or putting anything much in it. It's literally just been since the twists. So this is how one twist looks right now, and this is after 2 weeks since we did the lock phase. So just wanted to show you, and I wanted to show you what I do on a weekly basis. So this is a side view, and this is how her locks are looking. We're trying to make sure that there's no particles this time around, and they're quite frizzy for 2 weeks and they're kind of dry. So I just wanted to show you guys what we do with her locks when they're dry. I've noticed some twists are like so we'll go in and retwist if you have to, like that, if you can see that one. So I'm going to be using the Golden Rootz hair spritz. We have the lock oil, which is for just locking in the moisture. So this works well with the two work well together, and I'll show you guys in another video the lock spray, but this is what we use at home. And if you guys are interested in our products or in my products, please just check out the link, and we ship within Ireland. So we're going first by spraying the hair. I'm not really applying much because we don't want the hair filling up with oil. We just squeeze a bit. It's like a herbal oil, infused lock oil. All natural products, by the way. And so this is right after spraying and after hydrating the locks and locking in with oil. So not too much, just oil and hairspray, and so long as it's water based, or try out our products. So hope you guys like this video. I'll be back at the end of the month to show you guys how they look after a month, and then there'll be probably every month update up to when she gets to 1 year. So I'm looking forward to that, and so is she. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, remember to subscribe.
Subscribe and thumbs up.
Oh, good. All right. Until next time, see ya. Bye.